Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make stew potatoes. Start by selecting waxy potatoes and cutting them into even chunks about 1 inch each. Brown any aromatics or meat first to layer flavor, then add potatoes and enough stock to cover. Simmer gently until a fork slides through easily, then season to taste and finish with fresh herbs or a splash of acid for balance. Choose a heavy pot and sweat onions and garlic until fragrant before adding liquids. Brown meat or vegetables contribute caramelized flavor that boosts the stew. Add potatoes after searing and pour in stock to just cover, then simmer gently without rapid boiling. Check tenderness often and adjust heat to maintain a gentle bubble so pieces stay intact and flavors meld slowly for a hearty result. Finish your stew by tasting and balancing salt, acid, and herbs to create depth. Potatoes soak up flavors, so season gradually and recheck near the end of cooking. A small splash of vinegar or lemon brightens the whole pot, while fresh parsley or cilantro added last preserves fragrance. Serve immediately with a starch or bread to soak up the rich, savory broth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.